The Global Open Pedagogy Arts Collective expands Berklee's unique approach to arts education globally. GO-PAC delivers holistic pedagogy training and fosters creative collaboration while embracing and amplifying global diversity in arts education. As a community, we aim to develop tools of educational psychology for the effective management of educators and learners in the arts. Promote the use and integration of technological tools to energize classes and enhance learning dynamics. Provide meaningful opportunities for Berklee to learn from and amplify what makes each community unique through the focus of its artist educators. GO-PAC is aimed at all educators of all creative art forms, musicians, dance and theater artists, video makers, designers, and artists in general who have a strong interest in the intersection of teaching, art, and innovation. GO-PAC embodies teaching excellence while amplifying unique cultural perspectives and facilitating ongoing collaboration within a transformative global network. Join GO-PAC and be part of a dynamic network of educators, artists, and arts enthusiasts committed to the transformative power of artistic pedagogy. Together, we can open up new doors of opportunity and creativity in the world of teaching and learning.